any Facebook page to adding for n number of tabs here. These are all your tabs. What are the tabs is required and not required? We can add and we can remove the option. The remove will be coming to settings. In this option call is template and tabs. Option call is template and tabs. Here you can see the tab here, and you can change your tab position also. And I'm not showing for review option. Disable it. Click for save. Nothing. Just you can setting on and off. Click for the button. If you add any new tabs, what are the we can disable will show on your tab here. These are all your tabs. What are the final missing? Group missing, live videos, notes, and reviews. Groups, live videos. So this is a final option. We'll give by here in this. So clear? This will be adding your particular tabs. Okay, check by your option call is your. See this. Services, YouTube is all your option along with your live video and the groups option. So this is called add your tabs and remove on your Facebook page.